descendants of our sect once worshipped their respective lords of the city for generations. They believed that a goddess would be reborn as one of them every generation, and as long as the goddess danced for the Lord would be blessed by the heavens. One particular generation suffered a severe drought. The people became destitute, and the two eldest sons of the Lord fell into a fierce battle for succession. The goddess chose to bless the benevolent second-born son, and at the sacred ceremony, she danced and prayed for rain. Soon, rain indeed fell, revitalizing the barren land. The people were convinced that the second-born son was the chosen one. The benevolent second-born son did not wish to embarrass his brother and placed him in charge of an annexed territory. However, his kindness was not rewarded. After a few short years, the first-born son began recruiting soldiers in his territory. He invaded the city, forcing his younger brother to abdicate. In order to silence all who opposed him, he sent his men to set fire to his brother's mansion and then said to the onlookers, "If he were truly blessed by the gods, then let there be rain from the heavens to put out this fire." That night, prayers for rain were heard coming from the mansion. But alas, no rain fell. The fire burned for 3 days and 3 nights before finally going out. Though the people assumed that the second-born son had indeed been abandoned by the gods, his body was not found among the ruins of his residence. Only the soaking wet body of the goddess at the center of the mansion, quietly resting in an eternal slumber.